Hello friends, today we discuss how to solve a fraction question. Without wasting time, start the video. Here we take a very simple example on the base of the fraction. Here is the example. Example is this first, and given that 1 by 2 plus 3 divided by 4. This is the very simple question based on the fraction. Here the two part, this is the first part and this is the second part. These are the part are kind of fraction. Now start some basic concept of this question, and after that we solve this question. Here 1 by 2 we write separate, and this is the above part and this is the below part, and above part of the fraction is called the numerator, and below part of the fraction is called the denominator. So this is the very important concept of this fraction. Now start this question by step. So in step first we write what we can do. Step first. In step first we cross multiply. That means 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 3, and in the denominator we multiply by 2 multiplied by 4. That means first we write 1 multiplication by 4, and this is separated by a small bracket, and this is the plus. Now write here plus, and again 2 multiplied by 3, that means 2 multiplied by 3, and draw a whole line, and in the denominator we write 2 multiplied by 4, that means 2 multiplied by 4. In step second we write this part in simply form. That means first we solve 1 multiplied by 4 and solve 2 multiplied by 3 and solve 2 multiplied by 4. That means 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4, and here plus we write plus. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, and 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8. And in the step third we write some simplified form of the 4 plus 6. That means step third we get 4 plus 6, that means 10 by 8. This is the answer of this question. If you solve some further step, then you also rewrite in step 4, and in step 4 you write 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, and 8 you write 2 multiplied by 4. Here you see 2 and 2 cancel out, and you get final result 5 divided by 4. This is the very simple question's answer of this question. We met in the next video solve the basic concept, basic question. Thanks for watching.